Hi everyone, let's get to the another table topic. The table topic is, to what degree have you actually controlled the course your life has taken? To what degree have you actually controlled the course your life has taken? If when we talk about that to what degree you control your life, uh, you, so there are two kinds of person where some people deliberately try to do what they think and they move in that direction only. There are other set of people who just go with flow and they do just what comes along and just go with the flow. So, for example, uh, people choose they have to choose careers, right? When they choose careers in the very early, let's say in India, in 10th class, they ask to choose subjects. So some people take their favorite subjects, and some people just they don't have any favorites, so they just choose any randomly. And I know such person they exist, and they just, for example, they just took the biology, or they just took the on the maths science side, and they just to go with the flow, because when you would take biology, then only option the medical side is there. So they just go with the flow. So, but when I talk about myself, I'm the kind of person who likes to take control of my life, who likes to do things which I have thought out in advance. Although I do appreciate the randomness, uh, I'm not saying that I want to control the outcome of it. I just want to say that I want to be aware of what I'm going to do. So, for example, when I want to do engineering, it was pre-decided that yes, I will take maths and I will do engineering. In the college, uh, there were the most conventional option was to be the software developer, and then I decided that I won't be the simple developer. I will choose the side, that is the data science and machine learning. And I decided that, and I pursued for it, and I that's what I did, and I went in the machine learning field, and that's where I grew my career. And so, coming again back to the topic, I'm the kind of person that I like to control my life, but I don't control the outcome of what I do. Yeah. So that's it. Thank you. Over to you.